Hi, welcome to another video. This one is more a basic math, algebra, and fractions and exponents video. And this would be helpful to kids who are in the 8th grade, maybe 6th, 8th grade to maybe 7th grade, and maybe they're preparing for their board exams. So this would be helpful if you're struggling with some basic concepts. So let's start with what happens when you have a certain power and you multiply it with another power. And there's typically confusions between what happens when you raise a certain power to another power and when you add a couple of expressions like this. So let me take these three cases separately. So what happens when you multiply the two powers? In this case, the powers get added and it's like x power 7, because if you translate this into plain English, what it's trying to say is, let's say x is 2 and I say 2 cube into 2 raised to power 4 is basically 3 times 2 multiplied and another 4 times. So it's essentially 2 being multiplied 7 times, and hence 3 plus 4. Now let's take this, x cube raised to the power 4. In this case, we're going to multiply 3 and 4 and we're going to get x raised to the power 12. Now why this? That's again because what we're trying to do is x cubed is like x into x into x. And I'm saying that I'm going to multiply this 4 times. So what happens when I have an expression of this sort? So I have x multiplied 12 times, and that's nothing but x to the power 12. In this case, we don't have a simple explanation like the other two, but we do know one thing, that x to the power 4, because of this particular identity, x power 4 can be written as x cubed into x, right? Because 3 plus 1 is 4. And now we know there is x cubed in both the expressions, and we can take that out of the bracket and we can say this expression is equal to x cubed into 1 by x, 1 plus x. Hope this mini video on exponents helps, and I'm going to also talk about a bit of fractions in the next video.